My name is Zoe and Joselyn. I'm in 6th grade and I've been attending for this year and a bit of last year.
My name is Joselyn. I'm in 8th grade and I've been here coding for like 2 years, I believe.
When I found out there was a coding class, I pretty much was annoying my mom to go. I really liked the drones project. It was great because I've never really used a drone in my life. It was actually really fun.
The project I'm proud of right now is the one where we took images from the internet and put it into a website and made it into our own website. I took pictures from Pokemon and I put it on the website. Being a girl doesn't mean that you're weak or strong. Being a girl means that you're just a person.
I'd probably tell them that they should be proud of their gender and go for it.
I want to attend this. I want to see what I can make of it.